Hi everyone! Today from my kitchen I'm going to show you how we can prepare maklouba. Maklouba is a classic dish of the Middle East. It's usually served with meat or chicken. I've tried my recipe. I already uploaded my recipe before for the chicken maklouba. It's upside down recipe, but today I'm going to turn this recipe to a vegan recipe, so I hope you will like it. Let's get started with the ingredients that we need. First we need 1.5 cups of rice. It's washed and clean. For the spices we need salt to taste. I'm using 1 teaspoon of salt. We need 1 teaspoon of 7 spices. We need like 1/4 teaspoon or a little bit of cinnamon powder. And also we need to fry these vegetables, so that's why I put them separately. I have 1 aubergine, which is chopped into circles, and I sprinkle some salt on top, so because we need to get rid of all the water inside it. So I'm going to fry it in deep oil. And here I have courgette, also chopped to circles, and I have these beautiful cauliflowers, so they all wash and clean, and I'm going to fry them in deep oil and then put them separately. So for the rice, I'm going to use these vegetables to cook them with the rice. I need onion. Oh, by the way, I'm going to list down all the ingredients down in the description box if you want to give this recipe a try. We need onion, chopped into small pieces. So onion, carrots, tomato, and we need mixed pepper. So you can use any kind of vegetables that you like, but onion and green pepper and tomato is necessary. Also the aubergines, and then also the aubergine, and then after that you can just add any kind of vegetable that you like. Some people, they like to add potato, garlic, and many things. So here is my ingredients. Let's get started to prepare this recipe. First, what I'm going to do, I need to fry these vegetables in deep oil and put them separate. And after that, I'm going to show you how we can prepare the rice. Okay, so now in very hot oil, I'm going to start frying the cauliflowers. Okay, fry them a little bit until they get brown and cooked. Okay, so now after they cooked, I'm going to take them off and start frying the courgette, and after that the aubergine. Okay, so now the courgette is ready. I'm going to put them here on towel or papers. If you don't like to fry the vegetables, you can just grill them if you like. But frying, they taste better if you fry them. Okay, so now I'm going to start frying the eggplant, the aubergine. Ooh. Okay, so now after we fry the vegetables, now I'm going to start preparing the rice. Here I'm going to add like 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I'm going to start frying the onion first. Then I'm going to add the carrots. fry it for 2 minutes or a bit less. Okay, then I'm going to add the mixed pepper. And at the end, I'm going to add the tomatoes. Okay. Okay, so after we saute the vegetables, now I'm going to add spices with the salt, and also I'm going to add the rice. Okay, now I'm going to add water. So each cup of rice, we need to add 2 cups of water for each cup of rice. So I'm going to leave those now. And when the water evaporated, I'm going to cover them and let them simmer, cook for about 15 minutes, and they will be ready. Okay guys, so this is after 5 minutes. The water evaporated. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover the rice and then let them simmer for about 15 minutes on the lowest heat, and see you after that. Okay, so now here I prepare all the things that I want. I have the aubergine or the eggplant, I have the courgette and the cauliflower, and I have the rice is ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to upside down this recipe. I'm using the cake tin, cake baking. So I'm going to start adding at the bottom down there the eggplants. Okay, start putting them like so. Okay, now I'm going to add some courgette. Wow. If you like, try to put some courgette here around the baking tray. Wow. Okay, so now I'm going to start adding the rice carefully. This one. Okay, now I'm going to put another layer of aubergine. Alright, just put the rest. now I'm going to put rice. Okay, so we've finished. Now I'm just going to press a little bit on top of the rice, just to give it the form or the shape. Okay, leave the cauliflower. Now I'm going to turn it over or upside down this recipe. Woo. Okay. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, fix it a little bit if it's need. Take off this one. Look at this beautiful plate. Okay, so now I'm going to decorate the plate with the cauliflower. Yeah, just put them like so. You can also put them inside the rice as you like. But this flour, it's so sensitive. I think it's going to be mushy, so I prefer to put it like so outside. Okay, so I'm going to chop some fresh parsley here and just decorate the top of the Maklouba. Okay, chop them. Very good. Okay, so at the end I'm going to add some toasted flakes almond on top. Also you can add different nuts if you like. You can fry cashews, you can fry pine nuts, almonds. Oh wow, 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 wow. Look at this, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video. This is a delicious recipe and easy recipe full of vitamins and vegan recipe. I hope you enjoy it. So please guys, thumbs up the video if you enjoyed, and the recipe, the full recipe, you can find it down in the description box below if you want to give it a try. So stay tuned and I'll see you soon in another video or another recipe of food. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye.